Welcome to my YouTube channel Earth of Knowledge.
Which planet is known as the red planet? Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Venus. Correct answer is Mars. Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus, Mercury, Saturn, Neptune. Correct answer is Venus. Which planet is known as the gas giant? Uranus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars. Correct answer is Jupiter. Which planet is known as the Earth's twin? Mercury, Neptune, Venus, Mars. Correct answer is Venus. Which planet is known as the ice giant? Jupiter, Uranus, Venus, Mars. Correct answer is Uranus. Which planet is known as the ring planet? Earth, Mars, Saturn, Mercury. Correct answer is Saturn. Which planet is known as the blue planet? Neptune, Mars, Jupiter, Earth. Correct answer is Earth. Which planet is known as the windy planet? Neptune, Mars, Venus, Mercury. Correct answer is Neptune. Which planet is known as the evening star? Mercury, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter. Correct answer is Venus. Which planet is known as the swift planet? Mars, Uranus, Mercury, Neptune. Correct answer is Mercury. Which planet is known as the smallest planet? Mars, Jupiter, Earth, Mercury. Correct answer is Mercury.
Please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.